Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every week. Today's video is going to be all about my updated hair care routine. In case you guys didn't know, last year my hair was down to my hips, past my butt, and I chopped it off to like right here because I wanted to start a fresh hair growth journey, use the right products, stay on top of the maintenance of it, and allow for it to grow long, strong, and healthy. Here we are a year later, pretty much back to being long again, and I feel like it's honestly in the best state that it's ever been. So I wanted to share with you guys not only the hair care products that I use, I also wanted to share with you some things that I implemented the past year that has helped maintain the health of my hair. And then I also wanted to share a few hair growth tips as well. I do have a few hair growth tips videos up already on my channel, which I will link down below, but I feel like this video will be a much better roundup of everything because in those videos my hair was long, but it wasn't in the healthiest state. So any more rambling, let's get into the video. Alright, so first things first, my hair is very fine. However, I now have a lot of it now that I have learned how to properly take care of it, figured out the types of products that work well with my hair. Since the individual strands are so fine, they do tend to break very easily. So with that, I'm the type of person that I have to show my hair extra love. I can't just use whatever products on it. The longest, that's what I was doing with my hair, and it wouldn't grow past a certain length. It would break so easy. It was super fried. These are the products that I've used in my hair now. I've really changed it. First off, K18 hair products. These are the shampoos that I've been using recently, and I kind of alternate every other week or every 2 weeks between the two. So I have the pH maintenance shampoo right here, and then I also have the peptide prep detox shampoo. So the pH maintenance shampoo I like because it's very gentle on my hair. I do have to get my hair colored about twice a year to cover up my grays are just coming in full force. So I like this because it's gentle on my hair. It does the job. It still like cleans my hair. And then the detox shampoo I try to use at least once a month, but it honestly all depends on how much product I used in my hair that week. If I used a lot of dry shampoos, a lot of hairsprays and mousses, then I'll use that product. But you're gonna want to get yourself a detox shampoo. Before I was using this one, I was using the Kristen S detox shampoo, and I was using that once a month just to kind of get any buildup on my scalp. You're gonna realize that scalp health and the health of your hair go hand in hand. I want to remove all that buildup so that way you have a clean surface for your hair follicles just grow and just flourish out of it. Another thing to note is I only wash my hair once a week. Sometimes I'll even push it further. It was like the biggest change that I implemented in my hair growth journey. My hair used to not grow past a certain length. And then once I changed the products that I use and I also changed the frequency of my hair washes, it made all the difference because I was no longer stripping my hair. I was letting those oils just kind of set in. And then the conditioner that I've been using lately is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Mask. So this isn't a conditioner that you use in the shower. This is what you'll use once you get out of the shower, and you're not going to rinse this product. Whenever I use this product, I do not use a conditioner, period. I just, again, shampoo, get out of the shower, put this in my hair. I do about 1 to 2 pumps to the ends of my hair, and I just love the way this makes my hair feel. I find that when I use this, I have way less frizz in my hair. It keeps my ends nice and strong and healthy. I love this product so much. Out of everything I'm mentioning, this is so essential. Another thing I want to mention is find out what hair products work for your hair type. You don't have to necessarily go out and buy these exact products. I do highly recommend the molecular repair mask, but as far as shampoos go, for me personally, I just found that if I invested in better quality shampoo, my hair was much healthier. So I started using the K18 shampoo and conditioner about 4 months ago, but before that, this is what I was using. I mentioned this in my last hair care routine video, and it's the It's a 10 Miracle Repair Potion 10 shampoo and conditioner. Wait, what is it called? It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Repair shampoo and conditioner. They look like this. They come in ginormous bottles. These lasted me, I'm not kidding you, like 2 years. Well, the shampoo I had to replace after a year. The conditioner is going on 2 years. It's definitely expired. I need to get a new one. But these leave my hair super soft and shiny. I thoroughly enjoy these so much. The only thing that I will say with these is that I found that the conditioner weighs my hair down more, which is why I've been grabbing for my K18 products more. But that could also be just because it's expired. So yeah, also if your hair tends to get weighed down easily and you try the conditioner, this will leave your hair buttery, super soft, but you're gonna want to use very little product, but it does leave it super shiny. So I do love that. And then whenever I use the It's a 10 products, I'll follow up with this leave-in conditioner. I just do a tiny bit. Again, I can't put too much of this product in my hair or it will weigh it down. So I'll spray this in my hand like this, and then I'll work it through my hair. But I don't use this when I use the leave-in K18 because I don't like to use too much leave-in products or my hair will start to feel super heavy. Different hair textures will require different things, but this is what's working for me. Boom, so I do that. Then another thing that I started to implement again, rice water spray. I have it in a setting spray bottle right now, but basically you make rice water and you pour it into any sort of spray bottle, and you're gonna want to spray this through your hair regularly. You can look up YouTube videos on how to make it super easy. So I use this also as a detangling mist when I'm brushing out my hair when it's wet. I'll only spray it through the ends though, not through my roots. And then for day 3 hair, that's when I'll start to spray it in my roots. I don't like to spray it in my roots right away because I don't like for my hair to get greasy. I'm telling you though, if you spray this in your hairline regularly and you're that person like me that tends to have like a very sparse, scattered hairline, this will make all the difference. Like my hairline was looking crazy and now it's starting to get so much more fuller. The last time I actually washed my hair, I thought that I didn't take out any of like my root spray that I typically use to fill in my hairline because it looked just so sharp. And it was just because I was using this regularly. Oh, and then a new thing that I started putting into my rice water spray to really stimulate the hair growth is some rosemary oil. I got this one from Amazon. Rosemary oil is super good for your scalp health and stimulating hair growth. So I put this in my rice water spray to have like a 2-in-1 moment, but I will also use this in my hair probably about like once a month. Just massage this into my scalp and I'll section off my hair and just kind of coat it through and massage it in. I try to leave it in for about 2 to 3 hours. It's a super potent smell. I don't recommend leaving this in your hair overnight because one night I did that and it kept me up because the smell was too strong. But I have heard that you are supposed to dilute it. So it does work great in the rice water spray though. And it helps like take away the smell. Kind of gross, but rice water spray, it ferments and then it gets like a weird smell. So I found that by putting a few drops of rosemary oil in this, it helps it smell really good. When it comes to styling products and all of that, I try to keep it to a minimum. I don't try to put too many serums and stuff in my hair because I find that it just creates buildup. So whenever I want to like add shine to my hair, I'll typically just use like an oil. Lately I've been using the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding oil. Occasionally I'll use like a shine mist after the first blowout, but I don't like to spray too much products in my hair regularly because I don't want to create buildup. The only other products that I'll use outside of that is obviously heat protectant and then like hairspray as I need it if I'm doing a slick back look. Also, vitamins. That has made the biggest difference in my hair, and I mentioned this in my previous video. I started to get the Nature's Valley, can't remember off the top of my head, but they're these $8 vitamins. Obviously consult with your doctor before taking this. Who am I to tell you like what to put into your body? So I'm just telling you what I'm using and it works for me. And they're these little jelly bean vitamins. I've gone through so many of those. And when I first chopped my hair, I was like, okay, I already had missed the length. So I was like taking them religiously every day. And I swear my hair, it could be all the products that I'm using, but I think the vitamins definitely help my hair grow even faster and just like keep the health and shine. Because honestly, I can't even get all that vitamins and nutrients in my daily diet. So I just think vitamins are important anyway, but those hair vitamins specifically are amazing. Okay, a few things that I do in my hair to maintain the health of my hair. For one, I don't heat style it every single day. I only heat style my hair about once a week, and then if I have to touch up the front pieces, I'll do that. I'm not going to be curling or straightening my hair every single day because, again, since my hair is so fine, it tends to break very easily. So if I'm applying heat to it, it's just gonna fry all those pieces so quick. So if you've seen any of my previous hair growth videos, like my hair was super long. It was like past my hips. I genuinely never thought my hair could grow that long because for the longest before that, it would just, after this length, it would just break off and just look disgusting. And it was because I was using heat in my hair every day, and I was also washing my hair every other day. Once I changed those two aspects of my hair care routine, it made the biggest difference. Those are two things that if you can figure out ways to minimize, they'll make the biggest difference. Then another thing I noticed this time when I cut my hair, I'm like, I feel like it grew relatively fast, was I started to like blow up my hair more. I wasn't using curling irons or flat irons. I don't know if blow dryers are better for your hair. I feel like it has to be though. Your hair's not being like pressed between two super hot plates. And another thing that I did differently this time after I cut my hair to keep it actually like full and bouncy and long on the bottom was I stayed on top of my hair trim. So for the longest before, I would go like maybe every 6 months to get my hair trimmed. No, ever since I chopped my hair last time, I was there religiously every 2 to 3 months tops. I'm hitting 2 months now and I can already feel the difference in my ends, and I'm just like itching to go back there, but I'm trying to push it closer toward my vacation. I'm telling you, stay on top of those hair trims and like your ends will just be so bouncy and just strong. If anything, I feel like my hair has grown stronger, faster, and better than it ever has before. And then the last thing is how you sleep with your hair. I will say the best way to let your hair grow is to sleep with your hair in a braid. My hair was super long, even though it was like dry and brittle at the ends. It was protected and still full because I would always sleep with it in a braid. Now I'm too lazy for that, and when I blow up my hair, I don't want the crimps. So what I do is I sleep with my hair in like a giant claw clip. I'll show you. Try not to use like the really tight hair ties because that will break your hair, especially my hair since it's super fragile. But I'll just like do one of these. I'll put all my hair at the top of my, swirl it around, flip it in like that. And then that way there's nothing like super tight or constricting that's breaking the ends. And I find that whenever I do sleep with my hair like that, after a blowout, like I'll wake up and I won't have to touch up anything. I blew out my hair yesterday and all I had to do was touch up my bangs and like some of these front pieces. But so that's pretty much it for this video. Comment down below if you have any other questions and I can make like a part 2 of any specific hair care questions. I will link my previous videos down below. I think they are very helpful as well. I feel like this video though is a good roundup of those 2 videos, but those videos also had very good information that will help you kind of like kickstart your hair growth journey. Definitely consider subscribing. I would love to have you guys here. I make all things like fashion, beauty, lifestyle content, all of that. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.